Alright, gonna do an unboxing of my new Ryobi 18-inch weed whacker. Bought a new one because the old one's got problems. It's 20 years old and need something reliable. So let me dig into it. Hold on. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Alright. So, we have one weed whacker head. Bag of hardware. Why did I buy a Ryobi? Because I had my old Ryobi 22 years and I plan on doing a video on how to fix it. But right now I got too many other videos to deal with. I do not want to deal with that one. Directions. Read these very carefully. Alright. Good. Got the picture book out. Yay. Alright. Let's see here. This guy here. Warning, warning, warning. Alright. Trying something new here. Comments from the couch in the corner. As I assemble the Ryobi weed whacker here, I wanted to explain to why I bought a two-stroke weed whacker again versus all the really cool battery-operated weed whackers that are out there. And the main reason is I have a rototiller attachment that goes on this unit. So I kind of kept it the same so I could reuse my attachments. And you'll see the attachments later on in the video. But I didn't think a battery-powered power head was going to have enough juice to do the rototilling I like to use. I don't rototill a lot. It's a small rototiller, and I like the way it works, and it's always done just fine for me. I don't have a large garden, so. But when I need to dig up some dirt, the little rototiller really is a handy product to have. So I went with the gas two-stroke, and so far I'm real happy with it. Okay, seems simple enough. Alright, how does this go on here? Assuming you can see what I'm doing here. Hook on here. Yeah. All right. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, says put gas. Try and get some gas flowing through the bulb here. There's the gas. Choke set to full. Let's take this out where we can do some damage. Release handle, throttle, turn it on, give it a pull. Oh. Certainly a lot quieter than my old one. Give you that much. Alright, let's go cut some grass. Well, that seems to work all right. So, I'll probably change the bump head. I really don't like bump heads. But as long as I have rope in it, I'll use it. Let me do some work. I'll come back. Alright, so apparently, just have to turn that screw. So that's easier than the old way. Push the button. And that pops off of there. All right. This is the Rototiller attachment. Just has a little cap for hanging things. It should go right in here. Voila. All right. There you go. So, let's go find some dirt. Alright, this might be too dark for you. This area here is all moss, and so I'm going to just rototill it up with my new rototiller. Okay, let's see what happens here. And choke. Alright. It's probably way too dark for you to see anything. I might revisit this video later. But it seems to push the rototiller around just fine. That was only like, you know, half throttle, not even. So, more power. Alright. Take the rototiller off. Now, this rototiller, that's the weed whacker. This is the whacker off of my old Ryobi. Now, I like this one. It just is more comfortable, especially for my wife. It's more comfortable, the curved shaft. So, well, there are three kinds. Now, I was going through this string that came with the Ryobi like crazy. This string here is Craftsman string. You can see, let me bring you over on this side here. You see how these loop through like this? Okay. I change these strings maybe twice a year. They last a really long time. So I'm real happy with them. So, I'll give a demo of that the next time it's daytime. Alright, talk to you later. Bye-bye.